owner of the Jeep said if anything happens to him, I'll have this Jeep. So he ain't coming back.
You have the car payments too.
Nah, I'm good.
I'll do that. Don't worry.
Hey, bro, anything modifications you have done to the vehicle?
Yes. I got the Icon front bumper, which I waited 4 months to get. I was on back order. The Winch Rough Country, the 12,000S synthetic line. And then these are 37s Patagonias on stock Gladiator wheels actually. So they're 17 by 12, 7.5. And it fits 37s just fine, no revving, but I did have to add the 1 3/4 inch spacer. So if you have the Rubicon, get the spacer so you don't rub. And then I added the Baja design, the little spotlights aimed into the side so I can see the side of the road. And since my girlfriend's short, I ordered these bars so she can get into the car. They're pretty cool, electronical. Waited 3 months for those too. And then let's see. I think that's it for the most part. It's a 2023 diesel. I love it. A lot of torque. It does good power burnouts. So, yeah, I think that's it. I ordered the Gobi rack. That's going to take 3 months to get so I can put the KC light. So, I'll exchange numbers with you. You can get another video later.
Do you have any way to follow you if somebody has a Jeep and they have questions, you know, for the modifications you have done?
Yeah, the only thing I have is Instagram. It's Schmeegz57. So SHMEEGZ57. So if you have any questions, I can help you out.
I'll put it somewhere in the screen. I'll put it right there. Go follow him. It's a nice Jeep.
Actually, over here, look.
Oh, he has one.
So it's Schmeegz and then 57 at the end. That's my Instagram. And then on the inside, I just have like the radio up there, and then the backup camera, excuse the mess, and then the RAM holder for my phone. Other than that, that's...
Damn, bro. Más te falta el AR. Right here.
That's in the trunk, man.
Yeah.
That's all hidden.
Cameraman up there.
Hell yeah.
Wave.
That's why I brought him, so he can record.
Yeah. That's a nice Jeep, bro.
Thanks, man. I don't like the car payments or the truck payments, but other than that, it's cool.
Worth
it. Yeah, it's worth it.
I just noticed he has a sink right there.
Okay, so I built this trailer in my driveway. It took like 2-3 years. It broke down a few times, but I think now I have it down. So this is it. I have my gas, water, and then my running boards, and then I do have a sink with the electric pump. So later on, I can have it all assembled for you. This is an awning made by 230. I really love this thing because then when people don't have gear, I also have like a room. So it becomes like another sleeping quarters for people who don't have gear, because I like to just welcome anyone who wants to come. And this is where I sleep. This is my comfy. It withstands like cold. I'm never like cold in there. It's all good. But I do have a heater buddy here. Recommend getting it. Get the heater buddy. It works really good. And then back here, this is off I believe TJ Jeep. So this is the Schmeedy build. It's a tire swing out with also the hitch. So in case I need more like room for like bicycles or cargo baskets there. And then it's tire, spare, brake light, some more recovery gear in there. And then these are just leveling jacks in case I get a flat tire, I can raise the trailer or just stabilize it. And then I have, all my gear. I can be off the grid.
All right, bro.
For like ever.
I know it's gonna be a silly question, but if you had the chance to get a Toyota RAV4 or a Jeep Wrangler or even a Ford Ranger, why this Jeep?
Why this Jeep? Alright, so on YouTube, right? So I watch what Jeeps can do on fucking YouTube, and it's amazing what they can like just climb up straight walls. And sometimes, like, I love this outdoor stuff, and no one wants to come with me sometimes, so I don't want to get stuck. So I feel so much confident being in this Jeep and like feeling I can go anywhere and not get stuck. Because before this, I had a Chevy Suburban Z71. It was four-wheel drive and all that stuff, but I still wasn't like too confident. But this one, I feel like I can go over anything, and it has not let me down yet. So I'm praying that doesn't let me down yet.
You know what? He gave me confidence because I came on that once just because I know I'm gonna get stuck. He could pull me off.
I'll pull him out, yeah.
See?
But
I'm set.
You're not supposed to make this trip because I'm supposed to take that as a date.
Yeah,
I don't want to put miles on this.
Gotta put miles, bro.
Yeah.
That's